It is not your envious glare, your venomous stare, your lying tongue, or the fact that you're trying to do me wrong will make me succumb. You see, in me lies the power that will always be, the love and protection of the Almighty. Haters, beware. Jealousy will encamp you. Hatred will consume you. And envy will pervade you. As you stand by the sidelines and watch me rise, me, a child of the Most High, in the fold of Jah's love, blessings shall rain from above. Blessings shall forever surround me. And protection of the Almighty. You see, in you exists hate. In me exists love. In you exists envy. In me exists the ability. So whilst you're hating on me, Jah's love is supreme. So whilst you're hating on me, I am loving the Almighty, who is filling me up with infinite glory. Haters, beware. Touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. Every day as I rise up, unto Jah I praise up. Put on my spiritual armor and stay prayed up, so their bad minds can't touch. Haters, beware. Stand by the sidelines and watch me rise. There's nothing you can do can hold my life. Whilst you are wishing me less, my life will forever be blessed. What shall be today shan't be tomorrow. Banish my thoughts of pain and sorrow and bless the day for a better tomorrow.